Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Berkah Kadash. Double honors to the elders, apostles, great millstone, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. I say shalom to y'all out there. And this is another quick sit-down lesson in the news on this May the 12th, 2022, on this Thursday afternoon at 4:21 p.m. Central Standard Time. And the title of this quick sit-down lesson is going to be for this Thursday afternoon is going to be earthquakes in diverse places. This is a news article recently from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published May the 12th, 2022. And the highlight of this news article, and it reads, magnitude 5.7 earthquake strikes eastern Uzbekistan region. A magnitude of a 5.7 earthquake was felt in eastern Uzbekistan on Thursday, according to the European Mediterranean Seismological Center. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights. And great signs shall there be from heaven. Right, there's great signs shall there be from heaven, like the blood moon, the red moon, the coloring of different shapes of the moon and different sizes of the moon. We've seen different signs in the heavens, in the sky. Fearful sightings, that's the chariots of the Heavenly Father. Starting to see more sightings of that as well too. But that's for another topic. But this topic at hand right now, you're seeing the increase of earthquakes in diverse places. That's why you're starting to see an increase of earthquakes around the world. As I mentioned in my previous videos, is doing these earthquakes around the world, and you've been seeing the increase of the magnitudes of them, One's for an example of a magnitude of an earthquake, the numbers keep on rising up. Sometimes it might decrease, and then it increases as well too. Like for an example, 5.7 earthquakes, 5.4 or 5.0, 4.9, in that range from in those ranges, I meant to say Slovakia, from 4.9 to like 5.9, 4.9 to 5.9, 6.0, 6.1 or 6.5 or 6.7. So, you're gonna hear more of these earthquakes in diverse places around the world. Not just only here in the northern hemisphere of the world, but you're gonna see earthquakes at a high magnitude rate around the world as well too. And this is for a precept for the book of Luke 21:11. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. For a nation shall rise against nations, and kingdom against kingdoms, and there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles, and these are the beginning of sorrows, right? Because we are in those stages of these earthquakes keep on showing up and being reported in the news, especially in reference to in the news with the weather and stuff like that, with these heavy droughts, these wildfires keep on increasing, wildfires over there in Arizona, wildfires in California, wildfires that was taking place in Canada a while back as well too, about a couple weeks ago, I believe. But you're gonna see the increase of these earthquakes, diverse places, these heavy tornado storms, these heavy storms and floodings. You're gonna see more of these increase in the last days. Um, I'm gonna bring that Isaiah 29:6. Then I'm gonna close out the lesson. Just a quick sit down lesson. This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. Thou shalt be visit of the Lord of hosts, Yahweh Shemel Shai of hosts, with thunder and with earthquakes and great noise and storms and tempests and flame of devouring fire. Just like I mentioned, the increase of the wildfires, the increase of great storms, heavy floodings and mudslides, and the heavy droughts, burning hot temperatures, and these earthquakes and these heavy thunderstorms that cause a lot of damage. These heavy tornadoes. You're going to start seeing more of that increase as well too. Especially, this is the year of 2022. Yahweh Shemel Shai is turning up on things, which is biblical prophecies, because we are living in biblical prophecy times, and it's going to furthermore increase in the latter days. So with that, I hope this was edifying through the spirit, power, grace, and mercy of Yahweh Shai. And first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Makar Kadash. Double honors to the elders, apostles, great millstone, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, pushing this word truthfully and sincerely. Until next time, I will say shalom and the ball.